Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm taking a deep dive into GoLogin. GoLogin is a powerful browser-based tool that lets you manage multiple online accounts safely and efficiently without getting detected. It creates separate virtual browser profiles, each with unique fingerprints, cookies, and IPs, just like real devices. Whether you're doing affiliate marketing, social media management, or web automation, GoLogin helps you stay anonymous and secure. The best part is that you can try GoLogin for free. Get 2 gigabytes of data and a 7-day trial to explore all its features and see how it can simplify your workflow.
What is GoLogin? GoLogin is an anti-detect browser, also called an anti-detection or multi-login browser. It lets you create multiple separate browser profiles, each with its own digital fingerprint, so that websites see each profile as a distinct user rather than all coming from the same device. That means less risk of bans or account linking when running many accounts on platforms like social media, marketplaces, ad networks, etc. What you get with the free trial. When you sign up for the free 7-day trial, you get 2 gigabytes of cloud data. That means you can run several browser profiles online without saving anything to your computer.
How to sign up. Go to gologin.com. Click Sign In. You will see button. I don't have an account. Then click on that to sign up. Enter your email and password and hit Create Account. Check your email and verify your account. Once verified, log in and you'll instantly see your 2 gigabyte free trial on the dashboard when you download the program. How to use the 2 gigabyte. Inside your dashboard when you download GoLogin, click New Profile to create a browser setup. You can assign a proxy, choose your operating system, and save it to the cloud. That storage uses part of your free 2 gigabytes. GoLogin offers flexible pricing plans designed to fit different needs and budgets. After your free 7-day trial with 2 gigabytes of data, you can choose from several subscription options that scale based on how many browser profiles you need and how much data you use. The basic plan is perfect for beginners managing a few accounts, while advanced plans provide extra profiles, team access, and premium proxy options for professionals and businesses. With affordable monthly and yearly payment choices, GoLogin ensures you only pay for what you need, making it a smart investment for marketers, agencies, and growth-focused users.
One of the standout features of GoLogin is its built-in proxy support.
Each browser profile can be connected to a unique proxy, giving you a different IP address and location every time you log in. This makes your online activity appear completely natural and prevents platforms from linking your accounts together. GoLogin supports various proxy types, including HTTP, HTTPS, SOCKS 5, and mobile proxies, allowing you to choose the best option for speed and privacy. Whether you're running global ad campaigns or managing multiple client accounts, GoLogin's proxy integration ensures safe, anonymous, and reliable browsing. To wrap it up, GoLogin is a must-have tool for anyone managing multiple online accounts or projects. It keeps your digital identities separate, safe, and undetectable, perfect for marketers, freelancers, and business owners who rely on online platforms every day. With GoLogin, you can work smarter, protect your privacy, and scale your activities without worrying about bans or tracking. If you want to stay secure and professional online, GoLogin is definitely worth trying out.